Here's more of the amazing rock. It's all over this area. Yeah, one thing I'll mention, I am definitely waiting for the polarizing filter to come out. I'm sure somebody will have that eventually. When I'm shooting waterfalls, I like to use polarizer instead of neutral density filter. It takes the glare off of rocks, or the wet rocks especially, and off of foliage. Now, whether I'll use this too much to be shooting waterfalls, I don't know, but at least I want that option. It is going to slow down, you know, let less light in, and it'll be slowing down your shutter speeds. And then, what else was I going to pick up when it comes out besides the battery? I don't know. We're hearing what could be like a wet weather waterfall coming off the rock wall, maybe. Don't see anything yet. If you're not familiar with this area, though, it's in the Cumberland Plateau area of Tennessee. Lots of waterfalls, and some amazing waterfalls. So this is one, we've been to several of them so far. Oh man, we've got waterfall up here. We had not been to this area. Cindy is our trip planner, and she really wanted to come, and man, we picked a good time to come. Through the trees there. I'm guessing in drier times that would not be flowing. Oh, I did remember too, I'm assuming GoPro's going to come out with that macro lens like they did on the Hero 13. So I will definitely be picking that up too. Might not be good for just hiking like this, but a lot of stuff I could do with macro, doing bugs and all sorts of geeky things like that. You gotta love it when there's a bonus waterfall. Weren't expecting this at all. It'll be interesting to see how this mic picks up the bird sounds. Yeah, we'll add this too. I watched a lot of videos when the camera first came out. Some of them were from folks that God had just very few subscribers. One guy had 300 and some, and GoPro had sent him a camera. I'm not sure how that happened. But GoPro, I know you watch a lot of these because I see your comments. If you want to send me some stuff, I'd be glad to test it out. Especially that that macro lens. And I'm really looking forward to getting that. Oh man, look at this. If you made it this far into the video, bless you for one thing. Thanks for watching. We are staying at it's a private campground, Suter Falls. It's really near, I mean super close to the Suter Falls trailhead. So definitely check that out. Fairly good prices and facilities. It's all brand new, but facilities are real good. Oh yeah, it's just a river making a bunch of noise.
Pretty wide river.
Yeah. Boy, that'd be so pretty to be down right at it, walking along. Yeah. All right, we've come to a split in the trail. We weren't sure if there was actually going to be a trail down to the falls, but there is. There's a sign. Another thing about the GoPro was people were complaining about was how close you can get to stuff. I'm about 2 feet away right now, 60 centimeters. Doing stuff like this, no big deal to me. You'll never see me having the camera pointed towards my face when I'm hiking, so that's not a big deal either. See that white spot right through there? That's the waterfall, right in the sun. Which will be really good for the slow motion. You need a lot of light to get the 120 and 240 frames a second to show up real good. So we're down with a view of the falls. I'm over here facing away from the falls so I can talk a little bit. It's going to be just about the end of the video. I'm going to get a little bit closer and shoot some more slow motion, 120 and 240 frames a second. I'm guessing sometimes 240 is just going to be too slow, but it's pretty cool look. 120 looks real good. Man, I just can't convey how bright that is. And you can see my wife right there painting, and then how loud it is. Once I get near the waterfall, I'm not even going to try to talk. Anyhow, thanks for watching again. I doubt if I'm going to film any more on the way out. I already got enough here.